Ain't no stopping me, I drum inside of me. I'm paying for this bullets you gon' get for free.
Alright, this is where we're at. He brought the Chase Bays tucked radiator. He chose to get these on one side. This is the passenger side. It's pretty sick. These are good as wells, man. Whoo, look at that. I guess you have to cut right here, this little support beam for the frame. You have to cut right here. So I already marked it. And also it hits right here. So we're gonna trim it here, bend this back so it's flat, so we could bring in the radiator and see how much we have to cut. But how thick it is, it's pretty much frame to frame. So this is the only thing in the way. So we're gonna try to cut this slowly. Try not to touch the frame rail. And then we'll check up once it's done.
I'm so goddamn hot. She be I'm so goddamn hot. She be picking me up.
Check that out. Hella clean. Let's show you what we did. Okay, so we marked it, cut it right here. Look how tight that is. That's the frame rail right there. Make sure there's enough clearance so it doesn't touch the radiator at all. Look how tight that is. We need to clean it up a little bit here, but it was touching here on this side. It's not really touching, so we didn't do nothing there. This side just mimic on the other side. Nice and clean. We ran this up all the way to the hood hinge, the original one. For this, it's right up, like as tight as it's gonna be. So what we're gonna do is probably put a spacer in between here, and then a long ass bolt from this way, and then put a nut over here. I think that'll look the cleanest. Cause right now it's resting on this lip right here. We don't wanna cut it. I'm not sure if you're supposed to run it right to the radiator support, like all the way flat, because it looks like it's still like an inch right there. But if we do that, then there's no way. Look at this. Looks way better than cutting all this shit right here like most people do. They just cut it here and just fucking put a stock KA one or something. You bought fans, huh?
Yeah,
with it.
Fans.
Yeah, so they'll bolt right up. I know you could get this on the other side, but it looks cleaner here. We're just gonna cut that coolant line for the 1J. Running nice and clean, but
Can't wait, man.
I can't wait. Sheesh. All right, let's keep working. Damn, look at this 1J. Sexy. This one's hella hard to get. They're like 4K right now, huh? Higher, bro. They're 4. Okay, all right, let's update you. Because the engine's here and we've been working on it. We put the excessive manufacturer motor mounts. We cleaned up we took off the heater hoses, cleaned up a bunch of these vacuum lines. We're gonna keep all the stock. He's not gonna use an aftermarket fuel pressure regulator, so we kept a fuel dampener and all this stock rails and everything. Yeah, we deleted, there's a bunch of like fuel sensors right here. We deleted them. This is the stock fuel pressure regulator, so we just tapped it back into for vacuum into the intake. We put the Chase Bay little adapters right there, and yeah, he deleted the AC bracket. Yeah, he got these drift motion pulleys too. Hella clean billet, Tomei timing belt, and he sealed majority of the engine, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Front main seal, water pump. What else?
Just a bunch of, the shit you should seal, like all the little shit. We're about to torque down the crank. It's at 250 foot-pounds, so Mike let us borrow his Snap-on, fucking his good-ass Snap-on torque wrench. Sounds me fire. And then after that, we're just gonna do the rear main, fucking torque down the flywheel, and then clutch, then make the tranny. The boys are here. It's like, yeah, it is hella cold. Bro, it's been fucking cold every day, but we've been grinding.
Californian, 60 degrees.
I know we're all dying, but we're like, it's nothing to fucking the snow. Looks good with everything already mounted. We were bashing it in a couple days ago. They said something about the starter. You need to bash in a little more there. Yeah, I guess this is where the starter is and everything. Since he's using the R154, it's not as big as the CD09, so he doesn't have to bash in the tunnel that much. Fuck a VQ, fuck a Z.
Don't hate on the CD09.
Yeah. That's pretty much the update, so let's get to work.
Just being like my vape.
Damn, look at this Snap-on. There it goes. It's almost there.
You want me to try?
What the damn muscles over here? There it is, almost there. It's almost beeping. It's almost beeping.
Right.
Almost. It's almost.
Tap me out.
Tap out. Tap out. Sheesh. See, the muscles could do it. Huh?
Did it.
What you mean?
Oh, I did it. Look.
Oh shit! He did do it.
Easy.
What the?
Does
No.
not work.
Oh, look at it. It's at 273. I think that's a little much.
What is it supposed to be at?
240 something. Check it. I saw this online. Just drilled the screw into the rear main seal. Came right out. Damn, just don't damage the fucking mating surface. You're fucked for. This guy balled out on some ARP flywheel bolts. Look at that clutch. Stage 2 or what?
3.
3? Okay, okay. You throw a bearing, lineman tool. Damn, that's sick. Good shit, Brand. Ooh, Brand. Oh, it's a drift motion? Damn.
Lightweight flywheel.
Sheesh. Still hella heavy?
19 pounds.
My Z.
No, the stock one was probably hella heavy, huh?
see.
Alright, let's install this shit. Bro, the struggle we had just to put on these damn C-clips.
You're a capper.
This who saved us again.
Nah,
The strong guy.
that's cap.
Let me see his finger.
Dude,
Let's
look
see
at
it.
this. Look at this shit.
Blood, sweat, and tears right here, man.
I don't see nothing.
Yeah, this was a bitch though. This little bearing thing.
The other
Even the
side.
other side. Yeah, the other side was worse. Yeah, that little fucker right there. That sucked. But it looks good.
It's like 3 centimeters, like what, thick? And
Yeah.
it's
Little shit.
like 7
pee-pee.
flatheads to put it in.
Shh, peep this though, peep this. Sexy as fuck. Alright, let's put this clutch in. We about to drop in the tranny. We figured out how the clutch fork worked. This little pin was all fucked up. We cleaned it up though, so it works now. Let's see if our man muscles could do it.
My fingers hurt.
No, Nelson's gonna put it in all by himself.
It's cold.
It is fucking cold.
Did you guys pull out that alignment tool?
Imagine we leave that alignment tool in there. Why doesn't it go in? Fuck! Bro, we did it. Sheesh. R154s are no joke, dude.
You should try an RB, man.
Shh, RB suck.
RB suck.
Damn, dude. This was still a bitch, though.
Yeah, it was a little bitch.
Still a
Try
bitch.
CDO9s.
But then we got like 2 jacks, fucking 4 dudes.
Hey.
Sheesh, man. We got the thing all jacked up, all crazy. But it worked. But we're probably gonna put in the clutch fork tomorrow. It's hella cold. Probably call it a night. And then just get some vacuum line plugs and shit, like a bunch of miscellaneous.
In the car tomorrow.
Yeah, it's going in tomorrow, bro.
That's what we said today.
Yeah, but I know, huh? That's what we did say today. Fuck it.
Fuck. Well, you guys
Shit.
don't have to, like, get that shit.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, but tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.